Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi is also joining us. Remember, Sahil Joshi and his team of reporters in Mumbai are bringing you up to speed with the very latest. No conjectures being drawn, presenting, and they are asking the question that needs to be asked. Sahil Joshi joins us at the moment. Sahil, Riya Chakraborty's brother Shouvik Chakraborty and her father at the moment are being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. If you could bring us up to speed in terms of what connection is the ED and what parallel is the ED trying to draw by questioning Riya's immediate family as well, and not just Riya Chakraborty.
Her brother and father also are at ED office at this point of time, because the Enforcement Directorate had made it very clear that they want to investigate about, they want to know about the financial transactions of Riya Chakraborty, especially after examining her 3 years of income tax returns, that how can she own a flat at Khar East in Mumbai's suburban area of around 550 square feet flat, which as per the sources close to Riya has costed her around 85 lakh rupees, of which 60 lakh rupees she has taken on loan and rest of the money she has paid. And the other flat which is owned by her father, it's on her father's name. How do they own that flat? Her father is a doctor retired from Defence Services from Bangalore, and he owns a flat of around 1 crore rupees, which they have been owning since 2012. In 2012, they booked the flat, and in 2016, they got the possession of that particular flat. So on these things, the ED had already made it clear that they wanted to know about, and that's why her father is also accompanying her. As far as the brother is concerned, as Pankaj Upadhyay was explaining about 3 companies in which Shouvik Chakraborty was also a director, for which all these companies, Sushant Singh Rajput, Shouvik and Riya Chakraborty have paid up capital of 33,000 each, and the total amount of the paid up capital was 1 lakh rupees. So obviously about those transactions of these particular companies, because their balance sheets were not seen on the registrar of companies documents. So they would like to know about what these companies were doing, how much money was put in by Sushant Singh Rajput and by Riya and her brother Shouvik, and what kind of financial dealings these companies were doing. So these are the details they want to know, and that is the reason why not only Riya but her brother Shouvik as well as her father has also accompanied Riya to Enforcement Directorate. Earlier they had called Riya Chakraborty's chartered accountant, but he did not come to join this investigation. But now Riya, along with her father and brother, have joined this investigation. In the morning, she tried to explain to Enforcement Directorate that because her case is going on in the Supreme Court, she will not, her statement in front of ED should be postponed till the time the Supreme Court hearing is not over, which was rejected by Enforcement Directorate because ED is conducting a separate probe altogether.
Yes, absolutely. So and you know, Sahil, I'm compelled to take a very short commercial break at the moment, Sahil, but I want to come back to you on these 3 companies and the discrepancies, if any, that have been found. Why is it that there has been no filing, and at the moment, why is it that the P&L and the balance sheet not reflecting in the company's filings as well? What is it exactly that these 3 companies were even doing? What is the reason for which they were floated? What does the memorandum of the article of association and the MA of the company really say that the company was floated for? All these questions are still something that answers need to be sought from. Sahil, I'll come back to you on this very angle. Stay with us. Our continuous coverage continues here on India Today. Take a short commercial break.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.